Let me show you how to use ChatGPT or AI to create effective JAMB 2026 timetable. You really need that in order to ace your JAMB 2026 exam. Here are 5 key steps to create well effective timetable for JAMB 2026. So the first step is list out your subject. List out your 4 subjects, because in JAMB you are to offer 4 subjects in your exam. So list out the 4 subjects. After listing it out, put it aside. The second step is to write out a clear goal. For example, your clear goal weekly can be to finish 1 topic per subject in a day. That can be your goal. So you can find your goal and decide what to create for your weekly goals. So after doing that, the next thing to do, which is the most important aspect, is how to text or how to prompt ChatGPT to create an effective timetable for you. So let's do that now. Check your screen right now. Just type this to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you how to create an effective timetable. Just send this to ChatGPT. Type create. You can see that on your screen now. Create a weekly study timetable. A weekly study timetable for JAMB 2026. For JAMB 2026. And you will now list the subject for, so I'll be listing 4 subjects for physics, chemistry, biology, and English. And after doing that, I'm going to include other things, like I will add to the test that including 2 hours daily. Maybe you want to be reading for 3 hours, you can put 3 hours. Maybe you want to be reading for 4 hours, you can put 4 hours. So me, I'll be putting 2 hours daily. And I will also add rest day on Sunday. So I'll be resting on Sunday. And I will also add revision on Sunday. So this is how you will send the test. Create a weekly timetable for JAMB 2026 for physics, chemistry, biology, and English, including 2 hours daily, rest day on Sunday, and revision also on Sunday. So that's how you are going to send the text. And you can also put your revision on Saturday. So I'll be putting my revision on Saturday, rest day on Sunday, and revision on Saturday. So let's send the chat, and we will now add and create in an image form. ChatGPT will take at least 1 minute or 2 minutes to create an image. So let's continue with the other step. The next step is to add mock test and break. Mock test and breaks. You need to take break because it is important. Resting is also part of reading. If you don't know that, resting is also part of reading. So you also need mock test. In our tutorial, I don't know for other tutorial, in our tutorial we are organizing mock test which will be for 2 hours, and it will be 180 questions, just like how JAMB usually set it. So if you are also interested, just share the number showing on your screen right now so you can participate. So the ChatGPT has replied my message. As you can see now, you should be able to see it. As you can see, he has replied. So he has sent the revision, he has sent the timetable, you can see, in an image form. So simple as that. Now you have no excuse of not studying well for JAMB 2026. Now you have a way to create a free timetable. This is for everyone, for art students, for commercial students, and for science students, to create a free timetable for your daily study. You can also create a timetable for other things, like how you do your daily activities. You can also create a timetable for that. It is not only for reading. And once you create a timetable, it will give you a room to stay organized. And you also have to be consistent. creating a timetable and not consistent is just a waste of time. But if you want everything to be done for you, including creating daily timetable, including mock tests, including practice questions, including daily quizzes and weekly quizzes, if you also need expert support and tutorial and intensive tutorial, we can give that to you in Learn with Israel tutorial. The tutorial has started since November 17. You can also join the tutorial. Check the number right now on your screen. You can share the number. So the tutorial is affordable. One subject is 1,000 naira, 2 subjects is 2,000 naira per month, 3 subjects is 3,000 naira per month, and 4 subjects is 4,000 naira per month. If you want to pay for the 4 subjects, that will be 4,000 naira monthly. This, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this helpful, like, share to your friends and classmates. Don't keep this video to yourself, and make sure you subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.
Please subscribe.